thump, thump, thump. Every afternoon, he practiced his kicks until his shoes were dusty and his heart was full of joy. For Bilal, football was the best game in the whole world. Today was the biggest match of the season at the neighborhood park. Bilal and his best friend Zaid were on the same team. They wore matching red headbands and high-fived as they ran onto the pitch. "We're gonna win today," Zaid shouted. The game was fast and exciting. Bilal zoomed across the field, his feet moving like lightning. He dribbled the ball right toward the goal where his friend Idris was waiting. "Try to get it past me," Idris laughed, reaching out to block the ball. The game was tied, and the clock was ticking down. Suddenly, the sky began to turn a soft, glowing orange. Through the sounds of the cheering crowd, Bilal heard a beautiful, familiar melody floating on the breeze. It was the adhan, the call to Maghrib prayer. Bilal knew it was time to go to the mosque. He started to head toward the sidelines, but Zaid ran over to stop him. "Where are you going, Bilal? There are only 5 minutes left," Zaid cried, pointing toward the ball. "We need you to score the winning goal." Idris ran up from the goalposts too. "The game is almost over," Idris said, wiping sweat from his forehead. "If you leave now, our team might lose. Can't you just pray after the game finishes?" Bilal looked at his friends and then at the setting sun. Bilal gave his friends a brave smile. "I love football," he said softly, "but I love Allah more. My salah is the most important appointment I have today." He waved to his teammates and walked off the pitch, feeling a wonderful sense of peace in his heart. Inside the mosque, the air was cool and quiet. Bilal stood in a row with the other worshippers. When he bowed his head and touched his forehead to the soft carpet, he felt very happy. He thanked Allah for the beautiful day and for the strength to do what was right. After the prayer was finished, Bilal stepped back outside. His dad, Yusuf, was waiting for him with a warm hug. "I saw you leave the game, Bilal," Yusuf said, patting him on the back. "I am so proud of you for choosing your faith first." They walked back to the park, just as the players were leaving the field. Zaid came running toward them, waving his arms in the air. "Bilal, we won!" Idris made a huge save at the last second. Bilal cheered and hugged his friend. He realized that when you put first things first, everything else works out just fine.